In this section, I'm going to take you through my programs. And this is where, when we create new programs, they appear here at the bottom of the lobby. Now, when we started the module earlier, notice there was nothing there. But we've just looked through a robot educator activity called Curved Move, and here it's now appeared as one of my programs because I used it, I may have edited it, and now it's here in my menu. Okay, so what can we do with this? Well, these programs at the bottom are managed by the select tool at the top of the page. And if I click on the select tool here, I can select my programs, I can delete them, I can duplicate them. So let's duplicate them by clicking on the duplicate button, and you can see I've now got 2. Now, why duplicate a program? Very simple, really, to go back and find previous versions. For example, if we want to test something that means drastically changing the program, we duplicate it in order to keep the original. So we can always go back to it if things do not work. What else do we have? Well, we have the Share tool. If I click on the Share tool, this allows users to either save their work in tablet or desktop version. So, for example, I've created a program called Curved Move. I want to save it. Yes, I want to save it as a tablet version, but I want to mail it to somebody else. I can click on the mail icon. The mail icon will pop up, and I can type in somebody's name. Well, I'm going to email myself. Click on Rob. There we go. And I click on the Send button. Now, I might want to send it as a desktop version. Now, why would I do that? Well, I might want to really go into much more depth with my programming. And this is where we have the difference between the tablet version and the desktop version. In the desktop version, I've got a lot more icons I can use and go into programming in a huge amount more detail. And that's where I might want to transfer it as the desktop version. But what I'm going to quickly do is open up my mail. And there we are. There is my mail, Rob Widger, to myself. And there is the program called Curved View. Okay. I can also transfer files in other devices through iFiles is one. Dropbox some people use. There's a whole variety out there. The beauty is the iPad allows us to have access to all of these. So starting a new program is simple. What we simply do is click on New Program. And there we go. And we'll be writing a program a little bit later on, but we're ready to start programming. But first of all, what we do need to do is connect tablet to the EV3 brick. And let's do that now.